you safe. No, nothing wrong with a left punch. Sometimes you just want to twist that throttle, man. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another Sliding on Twoz video. I'm your boy Clutch C. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you've been here before, hey man, welcome back. Hey man, today I woke up this morning, was gonna throw a leg over my motorcycle for the first ride of 2025, and I immediately knew something was wrong, and that's what we're gonna talk about today. So come on, ride with me. Make sure you stay to the end. Let's do it.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
Well, here it is. She broke. Cut it off. And I don't know if you can see it. Right here, I mean, it is just so thin. It was about to ravel off. And this is actually what it looks like. What it should look like. If you can see it, this is the end that went the bottom of the motorcycle. It still looks good, but it's this end that's bad, that just raveled all off. See it? It just raveled off. It was about to break. We made it home. And a new one just arrived today. Almost a week and a half later. All right, here we go. So I made sure I got the OEM one, so hopefully that'll work out. So let me show you what a good clutch cable should look like. See how it's nice and wrapped and nice and tight? Let's see. See how it's nice and wrapped, no raveling? That's the new one. When I just called my boy Triple T over to help me put it back on, and hope we can get it adjusted properly. And then we'll be sliding again, baby.
Like that. Just a little bit more. Something stuck. Push on it. Reflecting off there blinding me. Always a whole lot of finagling, man. You see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that exhaust is right in the way.
At least it ain't hot.
It always is.
Maybe I can get my hand in. Yeah, here's the bottom piece of the cable. We just have to get that piece out. And the cable runs all the way through. And then this goes to the actual clutch.
Okay.
Once we feed it back through.
Just like that, see?
Mm-hmm.
And then see if you push, if you got your string and tied on there and pulled it, you could use your clutch like that.
Oh, wow.
See? Goes just like that.
We can go Flair Flintstone then.
Yeah. And then this here, all this is up here is your adjustment for your free play up there. You got to have a little bit of free play, and
right.
And that, don't worry, we get it all on and then adjust that.
Okay.
There it is.
Yep. It was gonna break, man. Maybe one more ride.
Yeah. At least you caught it. I wouldn't have noticed it till I went, pow! Once you get it in there, then you got to pull this back and put it in that bracket right there.
Right.
And then, with that back on, get it started, and then you just snug it up both ends on that, see that chrome piece?
Right, and then feed it back through. Huh?
And then feed it on back through, which probably what we'll do is start up there and bring it down.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Instead of trying to go up. Come on, baby. So close. There it went. Okay, now push it back.
Right, I see it. You thread it.
and then come around.
Line those holes up. Good thing you got enough slack this time.
Barely. Okay. That's in there. See in there, we can go a little bit more. See those threads in there?
Yeah.
So we come out a little bit, but not much. Then we had to take it up on that other adjustment. So I'm gonna come out just a little bit more.
If you say so.
See, that's almost there. It's a little bit of slack right there, which you want a little bit.
Right.
But we don't want to take no more out there.
Well, we got the cable back on. It's looking real good. Now the tire is low. So now we have to jack it up and see if we can figure out if we need to fix it flat or did just sitting in the garage with the cold air make it go flat. So we're going to put some soapy water on it and just see what happens. So it look like it's bubbling at the spoke. So you see the bubbles? So the leak is coming out the spoke. So we're gonna have to get that one taken care of.
Have a hole in it somewhere.
Yeah, that tube has a hole in it somewhere because it's bubbling right there at the spoke. All right, man, I gotta take it to the Kawasaki dealership and get a new tube in the back tire. But man, I just wanted you to see it looks really nice without the bags on there. I told you I was changing the bags, taking off the leather bags and putting on some Harley bags. And so we're headed to the dealership now. But man, I may not even want to put the bags back on.
Are you a salesman?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if they call.
All right, man, we made it to the dealership and the guy just took my bike in. So we're gonna go here and look at some other bikes just for giggles. We are at Houston Motorsports on 1960. And man, they say January is the best time to buy the bikes. December, everybody's buying them for Christmas and for the holidays. They have a really great selection of bikes. Oh man, look at what we have here. Here's my bike. It's a brand new bike. Just different color than mine, but it's a nice bike. But if I got anything else, I love my windshield, but I think I would want something with a fairing on it. Let's see if we can find something with a fairing on it. And here we are, look. There it is. Although this is the Vocaro, 1700. Now, if I got something, it would be something like this. This is a 1700.
It's got 550 programmed to full exhaust back. Took my baffles instead of removing them. cut them.
So did they go to gear driven or is it still channel?
And it's built. Oh no, so no, I did gears because I'm home.
Not crazy about this color, but man, here's the price. It was 19. They've taken 3,000 off. Now it's 15,927. Twin cam, exactly like my 900, but it's a 1700, and it's not a Vulcan, it's a Bikelife. Man, but it's a nice bike. Love those pipes on there. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Maybe in a year or two. I got a couple of things. We're actually moving, and so I can't make any big purchases right now. So as soon as we get the new house and get everything settled, then I'm coming back. So it has the like the road glide where the have a fixed fairing on it, so where your fairing and your handlebars are separate. I like it because if I got a Harley, it would be a road glide, and so this would be exactly like the road glide. What do you think? You're trying to get me to take it home today. I mean, if I did something like that, I would not get rid of my bike. I would keep my 09. I mean, this is a 25, but man, it is nice. I would just have to have, I mean, I think all real bikers are supposed to have two bikes, right?
Let me ask you.
All right, just got back from the dealer, man. At $120 later, we finally got the tires on. So we have the tires on, so we're gonna finish and do the bags now. Hey man, all right, that's it for this one. And hey, thanks for watching to the end. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button and make sure you don't miss any of our videos. Now we're gonna get back in this garage and finish that mod on my bike, and I'll show it in the next video. Hey, until next time, y'all be safe out there. Later.